Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the modern 12-pack super thin 9-inch 2800 lumens flush mount LED ceiling light. A brilliant solution for illuminating your spaces with its 5000K daylight glow. This undimmable ceiling light boasts 66 high-quality 2835 SMD chips, delivering an impressive 2800 lumens, making it significantly brighter than other lights of its size while saving up to 90% energy compared to traditional lighting. With a CRI greater than 85, it ensures your bedroom or living room looks vibrant and inviting, all encased in a high-quality, fire-resistant plastic housing that safeguards against electric shocks and short circuits. Its ultra-slim design, with a thickness of just 0.91 inches, is perfect for low ceilings and universally compatible with most junction boxes, making it a versatile choice for any room. Installation is a breeze with only 2 steps required. Simply mount the base under the ceiling and twist the lamp into place, with all necessary accessories included for your convenience. Whether for a bedroom, living room, dining room, or even a garage or office, this LED ceiling light is a reliable choice, backed by our friendly customer service team ready to assist you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.